I'm sat here with Chris at 2020 Hearing Limited, based in Leeds, UK, and I've actually been deaf in one ear now for about 50 years, which was an after effect of measles when I was about 3. And I've never known what it was like to actually hear in my deaf ear before. And I came in to see Chris about having some wax removed from my ears through microsuction, which again he did very successfully, and we happened to start talking about my one-sided hearing problem, and he suggested to me that I try using a phonak-bi-cros-free-hearing-aid-trial system. And anyway, we trialled this, and I've just had 2 weeks of trials and putting myself into lots of different noisy situations, for instance in a noisy pub, restaurant, wine bar, that kind of scenario where normally I wouldn't be able to hear properly what anybody was saying to me on my deaf side, and now I can hear perfectly. So it's been a bit of a life changer for me, and I just can't recommend Chris and 2020 Hearing enough for what he's done for me. So that's it.